Woo! As you can see, shit is just everywhere. Yes. Look at Minnesota now. You can't even walk on the sidewalks. The sidewalks are car high with snow. Y'all said y'all want a white Christmas. Look at the alley. Look at the snow right there.
Right there on that
up to the truck.
Garage. That look pretty on top of it.
Yeah. Wow. Truck stuck in the alley. I guarantee you won't be able to get it. Look at the snow up to the truck. This hasn't been plowed yet either, y'all. Just so you know, this is not that plow, where it's pushed up to the side. No, none of this.